Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve for x in this beautiful equation. 2 raised to power 3 to the power of x multiplied by 2 raised to power x is equal to 40. Solution. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power mn. Also, if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then this can be written as 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by x multiplied by 2 raised to power x is equal to 40. Then this is 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by x, that is 3x multiplied by 2 raised to power x is equal to 40. Then from this rule, this and this can be written as 2 raised to power 3x plus x is equal to 40. Then this is 2 raised to power 3x plus x. This is 4x is equal to 40. Now let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Have log 2 raised to power 4s is equal to log 40. Then from here, if you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b log a. And then this can be written as 4x log 2 is equal to log 40. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by log 2. This divided by log 2. Then this log 2 cancel this log 2. 4x is equal to log 40 divided by log 2. But 40 is equal to 20 multiplied by 2. Then this can be written as 4x is equal to log 20 multiplied by 2 over log 2. And this is same thing as 4x is equal to log 20 plus log 2, this over log 2. If you split this, we have 4x is equal to log 20 over log 2 plus log 2 over log 2. This cancel this, which is 1. This is same thing as log 20 over log 2 plus 1. Also, 20 is equal to 4 multiplied by 5. Then this can be written as, we have 4s is equal to log 5 multiplied by 4 over log 2 plus 1. And this is same thing as log 5 over log 2 plus log 4 over log 2 plus 1. 4x is equal to log 5 over log 2 plus this can be written as log 2 square over log 2 plus 1. 4x is equal to log 5 over log 2 plus 2 log 2 over log 2 plus 1. This log 2 cancel this log 2. 4x is equal to log 5 over log 2 plus 2 plus 1. This is same thing as log 5 over log 2 plus 3. Then 4x is equal to 3 plus. Now take note of this, that if you have log a over log b, this is equal to log a base b. Then the whole of this can be written as log 5 base 2. S will be equal to 3 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 4. And this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation: 2 raised to power 3 to the power of x multiplied by 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power x is equal to 40. Now this is the same thing as 2 raised to power 4s is equal to 40. And when s is 3 plus log 5 base 2 over 4, so here we have 2 raised to power 4 bracket 3 plus log 5 base 2 over 4 must be equal to 40. This cancel this, and we have 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 must be equal to 40. Then here, this is 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 must be equal to 40. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to a. Then this is 2 raised to power 3. 8 multiplied by the whole of this is 5 must be equal to 40. 8 multiplied by 5, this is 40, is equal to 40, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.